Whatever little I made in life, I made it just like you. I buy 2 taxi, then I open a taxi company, and I go through the struggles just like everybody else. I want to thank those who thought that by releasing documents that they would somehow diminish me. I am a true Jamaican. I went through the Jamaican struggle. My salary today is about $9 million. The other man who claimed him a Tapanaris, who claimed him don't need no money from government, he take it. No weapon that they are conspiring to form against me.
Just before Kumaru, just before you didn't see it, then I hold the eyes. Let's get this rolling. Kupani the lights, man. Kupani the lights. Look down the road. We're gonna come down back to back. How is the hurry up now? We're ready, we're ready, we're ready, we're ready, we're ready.
I got a call this morning from a lady named Miss Ivy. Miss Ivy is a 78-year-old woman who I met last year. When I met her, she was living alone. She never had no help, nobody to care for her. She didn't have any formal job, so she never have no pension to rely on, nothing at all. And under the Jamaica Labour Party, we were able to put Miss Ivy on social pension so she can pay her little light bill. We're able to give Miss Ivy through NHF her little medication. And Miss Ivy called me this morning. She said, when you go down to halfway tree.
Earlier today, I advised His Excellency the Governor General of my intention to announce the general election